How to get your GIFs on Instagram stories? First, visit giphy.com and log into your account. If you're new and don't have much content or followers, you might not get approved right away. This is because real people check if you're a real brand or company. Once approved, which usually takes a few days, you can start uploading GIFs. To upload, click Upload. Then upload your GIF. After that, enter your unique tags so that you can find easily. It's a very important step. And the source URL is not important. You can write whatever you want. The bonus here for GIFs versus stickers is that they seem to show up on Instagram a lot faster. When I upload my stickers, it usually takes at least 24 hours before I can search them and use them in Instagram. Now, as long as you're actually one of those things and not trying to upload other people's artwork or apps and not posting anything that isn't yours, you're pretty likely to get approved. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, share and subscribe.